The SAIP is a US Chamber of Commerce non-profit affiliate organization, and we have been in existence since over 25 years now, with projects in over 100 countries and almost 1,000 initiatives in various themes. In Pakistan we started in 2006, and since then we have been engaged with Pasha on various initiatives. This time around we thought why youth is not coming into entrepreneurship career, and one of the potential area we found is the IT entrepreneurship area, which does not really require a lot of startup capital. Why these young kids, boys and girls, do not enter into entrepreneurship career and they search for jobs, and jobs are not easy to come by. With this idea we came together, and Jahara from Pasha and myself, we sat down and we said, okay, let's go and talk to them and see what their perceptions are, why are they not starting it. So the way we developed this whole initiative is that we would hold discussion sessions in 3 cities, Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad, and we would engage a group of young entrepreneurs, freelance young lads as well as the students, final year students, and bring them together and see what their different perceptions are about entrepreneurship career. The events went very well, and we managed to engage over 120 lads into this program, boys and girls. The things that have come up are pretty interesting. A lot of them require mentorship, which is currently not available at the scale it should be available. So I think Pasha perhaps needs to do some hard work and find those entrepreneurs who are willing to spend time with these young lads and talk about their specific initiatives. A lot of young boys and girls from universities were unable to ask the right questions. So what I was a little bit surprised is that they were coming to these events, they had few ideas, but they were not absolutely sure what they should be asking. So I think these mentors should be able to help them ask the right questions, develop their concepts properly. So in these 3 events, very interesting things that we learned, and one of the things was the payment gateway issue. A lot of the matured entrepreneurs talked about it. The issue can be sorted out. I'm sure Pasha and PSEB coming together, because Imran Zia from PSEB was with us at the Islamabad event, and he also agreed that Pasha and PSEB should write to State Bank of Pakistan and see how this issue can be sorted out. And as soon as it is sorted out, I'm sure it will benefit not only the IT sector, but all the e-commerce sphere will also be benefited out of it. The other thing is which students were unaware of is the legal framework. How to register a company, how to get an NTN. So one of the things that was discussed is that could Pasha, if could perhaps develop some kind of an information portal or a knowledge management portal with giving details of all these links, registration forms and basic information about it. The online community needs to keep discussing this initiative. This is one thing which is necessary. We have come in, and SAIP has come in, and SAIP has helped Pasha to speak to a larger group of people. Pasha would do the advocacy bit, but the discussion should continue. This entrepreneurship arena should really be extremely vibrant, and that's what I personally feel, because these techies, these online people, instead of discussing that my cat is sick, they should be discussing something much more productive on their Facebook and on their Twitters. See, one of the key thing is that the university level, they are not prepared to go into entrepreneurship career. That's what we heard from them, and they said we are only encouraged to go and search for jobs, and there is a peer pressure as well. Once you spend a few 100,000 rupees on your studies, you're out of the university with a degree, you need a job, you need to make some money. So instead of looking at a much more challenging career opportunity, which is entrepreneurship, you end up probably sacrificing for a much less paying job, because jobs are not easy to come by in this depressed economic situation in Pakistan. So the families needs to come and think about it. the universities, these teachers who are teaching at the university level, they should encourage the students to look into these potential opportunities that are there. They should be talking about in their own groups, how should they start their own small business. I know that a lot of Pakistani young students are earning money through online businesses, Elance and all that they are working. So how can we scale it up? That's the big issue. How can we reach out to a larger group of people? How can we go beyond Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad? Pasha being an active organization, but it has got its own capacity issue. It's a small organization after all. Pakistan Software Export Board, but again PSEB has offices or stingers in larger cities. So I think some kind of an online forum is needed to me that could bring in the community from across Pakistan, and so that they could discuss, they could share these ideas.